Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you what is Chatsonic AI in 2025, how it actually works and why it's one of the top tools for content creators, marketers and everyday users. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So this is Chatsonic that I'm using. It is an advanced AI chatbot that is created by Sonic. So it is basically designed to work like ChatGPT but with extra features like real-time internet access, voice command and ability to generate AI images. Now, what makes it different, you might be wondering. So, unlike most other chatbots, ChatSonic can actually pull the live data from the Google search. That means that if you ask about trending news, prices, and current events, it is going to give you the real-time answers, which is great for social media and research. For example, here in this chatbot, if I type trending news of today, it is going to give you the response based on the trend that is going on. So it also supports the voice input, meaning that you can speak to it like a virtual assistant, and it can even generate AI art using the text prompts. Now you must be wondering who actually use this tool. So if you are a content creator, like if you write blogs, captions for video scripts, you can use this tool. This tool is helpful for the students who use it for summarizing the texts and their textbooks learning support. Businesses are also customers of this particular tool for emails, product descriptions, and customer service templates. So in order to get started with it, you need to just open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to type writesonic.com. So since Chatsonic is a part of Writesonic, you will have to first of all create your account at Writesonic, which is quite easy. Click on the get started option, select your Google account, and you will be on the Chatsonic page. So you can use it absolutely for free for limited credits, or you can even upgrade for unlimited access and premium features. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.